Welcome back, Samsung Galaxy users. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26, Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in just a few simple steps at the same process. Take your Samsung phone and press and hold the power button together with the volume down button for a few seconds. After holding both buttons, the power menu will appear on your screen with several options such as power off, restart, and emergency mode. Next, locate the power off option and tap on it once. Your phone may ask for confirmation, so tap power off again to confirm. Within a few seconds, your Samsung Galaxy S26 series device will completely shut down safely. That's it. This simple method also works on many other modern Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your Samsung device with confidence and ease.